is anguish, we try as much as possible to. Where there is goodness, we provide shelter. Where there is anguish, we try as much as possible to bring joy. Where there is acute marginalization, we try to bring in inclusion. We have come that this gospel may nourish the souls of those without hope. They may nourish the hopes and the souls of those of them with nobody to turn to apart from thee. Don't turn us away in your anger. We have fallen short, of course, because we are sinful. We are born of flesh, and we have to be due to your mercy. You lifted us up. You blessed us. You made us whole once again. And we are here to preach this gospel, that your name and name alone will be praised. That Biafra will come in the end. That everything that lives on the surface of this very planet will look towards the east until we can see the goodness of this dear God. We can see his holiness. We can see his might and his strength. Because even if the whole world were to conspire against your creation, you are creation yourself. You will prevail against them. Come and fight for us, because we cannot fight. Come and drive away the enemies of your children, because they outnumber us. Come and restore your inheritance. Make us the guardians of your inheritance. We know who you are. We know the name that even the angels that surround you right now, when they call you. We know how they worship you. Even and the most in we know that very well. Even at the end, only you and you alone will accept every of our prayer. Anytime we bend down on our bended knees to pray to you, anytime we lift up our hands in prayer or in praise, anytime we cry for joy or in pain and anguish, because we are seeking one favor or the other before you. We are good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night. It depends on where you are watching out from, and depends on where you are getting our videos from. I say I greet from here. From me, from here is good evening. Please, brothers and sisters, when you people watch our videos, you doesn't subscribe to our channel, at least we need you. When you watch our video, subscribe to our channel, and put on your notification button, drop your comment, and like the video, so that the video can go far and reach other people. Please, as you're doing that, we say may God bless you. Okay, so today we have to drive so fast today. We have to move so fast today. We are going to ask Finnish government if Finnish government wants to exchange justice for economic purposes. Because of there is no reason that Finnish government will say there is a reason that makes them to hold Mazi Ekpa.
saying that they are doing investigation on top of investigation. Now, our people have to know that what is playing here now, sorry, that the Finnish government, they want to use our Prime Minister Mazi Ekpa to play their economic purposes, to use it for exchange, which we will not accept that. We, the Biafrans, we will not accept that. We, the indigenous people, we will not accept that. What we are calling for is, what we are asking for is what is justice, freedom, justice, and equity. That is what we are asked for. There is nothing more, nothing less. We want the Finnish government, because this Finnish government, you are seeing what exactly that is happening in that country so-called Nigeria. Look at today, I was reading one news that bandits kidnapped over, in Sahara report, that bandits kidnapped over 5 people in shopping complex. You see how a lot of atrocity that state called Nigeria is committing against its own citizens. Finnish government, you will not say that you are not reading articles or you are not seeing what that is written out there against this very government that you people now want to support indirectly for economic purposes. Yeah, it's good that you people want to do that, but it is good that something that lasts forever is something, good things last forever. But where there is no justice, you don't see good things. So I'm telling the Finnish government, they have to do what is good, that the good things is something that lasts forever, that we, the Biafrans, will remember them for their good that they have done. So don't allow this new generation to destroy the good that the Finland had been with the Biafrans since the 1967. They have been a good partner to we Biafrans. So I don't want this new generation of this new government for economic purposes to destroy those relationships. We still have long relationship with Finland. So what we are asking the Finnish government, please let there be justice, and this justice have to be an open justice over our Prime Minister Mazi Ekpa, because of this man didn't do nothing. What he's asking for is freedom for my people. Is it a hard thing to ask for? Look at Nigeria state. The general called Musa is the one of the highest terror that I can never meet. Which country? I'm still asking the Finnish government, which country on this planet that you will have terrorists and you recruit them into the system, not even into the system, and you recruit them into arms apparatus, military, police, customs, call them whatever, but that carries arms. This is where they recruit them. In the civilized country where we live, where we have stayed for a long time, this kind of thing never happened there. It doesn't happen. When you have a terror that has stole his hand with blood of innocent men and women, children, you need to put him in a prison. That is where he belongs to, because of he have committed crime against humanity. But in the other way around, in this country that Finnish government is supporting indirectly, saying that, oh, they are bringing evidence because of all these things. We know we are playing politics. In the other way around, this country called Nigeria, this British company called Nigeria, we get the terrorists, then we recruit them into the services and still handle them over guns to be destroying innocent men and women's life. Making the children's, making the women, making them widows, making the children's fatherless and motherless, buying people everywhere. You can't see good news coming out of that country called Nigeria, that British company. We are asking the Finnish government, you have to play your role, and you play your role wise, because of the whole world is watching. We are watching. The whole world is watching to see what will come out. Let's see if there is really justice. You people say fought for your freedom and know what freedom is all about. It's the same thing that Mazi Simon Ekpa is doing. This is for the Finnish government. This is where I want to drop it for now. You know? So, Finnish government, you have to do what is the right thing. And for our own brothers and sisters, who is, when they hear about freedom for themselves, they will be shouting up and down. They'll be like, this and that. No, this kind of people are this kind of species they call Igbo species. I never see in my life. That is why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said that if it's not for one thing, that he will just leave all of you to perish. But just for the love, because of God, he said that God have called him for this purpose. That is why he cannot do that. Because of kebem ga afọ ebe a na-azọ mmadụ azọ, ị na-azọ mmadụ si a na-apụta ebe ị na-aga n'ụzọ adịghị na-ekpebe ụzọ ndụ. Yes, no, not that place. Ka ebe ị ga-afọ ya bụ ebe ndị Igbo nọ, a na-eplay yiri politics. They are governors playing politics. We are playing politics. They want to buy their pocket. They don't care about the life of their own people. Who is buying every day? Who they are kidnapping every day? Who they are selling their organs every day? They don't give a fuck because of their accomplices of all these things that is going on. This is one of their business because of Arsenal. You know, that is why we need to now about our youth, our young men and women. Don't sit down and be looking, saying that, oh, governor, this. No, secure your territory. Make sure that your territory is secured. Handle your territory the way it's supposed to be. Handle your territory. Secure your territory. See something, you say something. See something, you say something. All youth in everywhere. If you are waiting, these people will finish. You don't know what things are happening there. People are being gone every blessed day in that very country you called Nigeria. That is the whole bullshit that Finnish government will see and keep this one. See, then kept Mazi Simon Ekpa. Look at what is going on in that country. Finnish government. Look at the atrocity that the government is committing. They are now committing the atrocity without nobody questioning them. No question. Nobody is questioning them anymore. Nobody is holding them for accountable anymore. They are not doing it with all their will, what they want to do. Finnish government. Ụmụnne anyị ndị na-eme na-agba okwu nwere onwe a ha na-eshi ọnwụ na-efisi kpakakpaka ọ bụrụ awalide a na-efisi kpakakpaka a na-asị gị na-ekwepe ụzọ. Kedu ife ị ga-again? What are you going to gain? Kedu ife ị ga-again ndị Igbo nna sabotage this movement? Kedu ife ị ga-again? Na ị chọrọ good hospital, ị chọrọ good road, ị chọrọ good environment, ị chọrọ ibi ndụ ka onye ndị ndụ. Why don't you come together and support this movement? Let's face what is facing us once and for all. Ndị Igbo mere unu ife eme. This type of Igbo people come out for maybe now saw somebody and where you are trying to rescue somebody, that person has simba. No one carry a money na say biakazo go simba no one carry a man. When you look at these people, only literally this type of Igbo people I'm seeing around, that these people are mess. Many of them that is rich men and women, then go to abroad, they see good environment. But this kind of environment, if your people have this same environment, or what do you think it may be there? Will something happen? That's my question to all these rich Igbo people. All these men and women that is not supporting this movement. If you have a good society, have a good environment, you have 24/7 hours light, you have every system working good and fine, not having bad road everywhere. What are you going to talk about? Nothing. Let's listen to this one. This is actually Dokubo before, but now He's filing his pocket. Look at his voice before. This is him before. Listen, let me show you people something. Just 1 minute. 1 second.
A Nigerian or a River State man. I am not.
Make una listen. I started October before.
There is nobody called a Nigerian. If you go to Lagos and there's somebody in the bus.
Now I started October before.
People are in the bus, they say 5 persons are one Gambari. Who is a Gambari? Is he not supposed to be a Nigerian? If you go there, you go to the north, they say Yamiri. You go there, Perebe Banzani. If they are rioting in Kanu, they will not look for Ghanaians to kill. They will look for Igbos, Yorubas, and Ijaws to kill. The same is everywhere. So where is the Nigeria we are talking about? Until the issues of the Niger Delta and the people who are dispossessed of their sovereignty is solved, there will be no peace. And people like us will not agree. Because the Bible says, and I want to quote, how can I sing the Lord God's song in a strange land? How can I, an German, be called a Nigerian and be made to sing the Nigerian national anthem when I am not a Nigerian? I will live and die an German. I will never become a Nigerian or a River State man. I am not. This Pakistan called River State, why was it created? To cause confusion. When the Igbos rose against the Nigerian oppressive state, in order to cause confusion between we and our brothers, the Igbos,
this is Asare Dokubo. When Asare Dokubo was Asare Dokubo, he knows all these things. What did they do? Then called him, then piled his pocket now. He's now building schools in Benin Republic. He's now building hotels everywhere. He's not living like a pig in the Greek. He doesn't want something, but he knows that what is going on is not right. Listen to him. Let him finish what he's lamenting. It's him, so that you don't say that it's.
That our fight, the fight of Ken Sarowa, Isaac Boro, and all the fallen heroes, is to reclaim our stolen sovereignty. For this, I was detained for 2 years. 10 months, 13 days on the ground by the maximum ruler of the Nigerian state, General Olusegun Obasanjo. We have to rise up. We have to know who we are. The only thing that can guarantee our freedom is independence of Biafra. There's no two ways about it.
70 years old man. 70 years old man. Now they have given him money. Now his pocket. All these things are gone. It's now deceiving small, young youths. Bringing water, putting inside calabash and be giving them. I have told him, this is not the thing that you need. I started Dokubo. All these things are crops falling out from the master's table. For how long? When they want to offer you job, I was listening to him, his interview. He said, they asked him, you say that you have emptied your bank account where you are supporting Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And you say you are not getting anything. What did the Bola Ahmed Tinubu say? He said, the Bola Ahmed Tinubu have offered him oh God, pipeline guide. Look at in your own land, what they are offering you is security job to be guiding pipeline. What belongs to you that comes to your natural land that God has blessed you with. You are not guiding it for the oppressors to come and take it and go. One day from me from here is good evening. From me from here is good evening. Please, brothers and sisters, please subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to our channel. Drop your comment, in the comment section. Share our broadcast so that our broadcast will go. And on your notification button so that anytime we drop a new videos so that you'll be number one to get it. As you are doing that, please, I say may God bless you and remain blessed. From me, from here is good evening.